Guys, we got something special. Really nice truck, 2004 Chevy Silverado, lifted, all jacked up, really nice, really beautiful truck, really nice wheels. One of my favorite colors, a blue. Anyways, what we did on it, he had no cats on it, so he brought his own cats, high flows, and we just installed them for him right there and right there. Then he had it true dual somewhere else a long time ago, all the way through. And then he had some 4-inch tips on it, and we said we can't have that, you know us here. So it's 2 1/4 all the way through, right there. And then we installed some 6-inch tips for him, rolled right there and right there. Just completes the look, makes it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Big truck like that needs big tips. He had some 4-inch, I don't know where they're at. But yeah, we put 6-inch in their place. Let you guys hear it in a sec. And it changed us out. Give it gas. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 120, bro. That is loud. That's awesome. Oh, we scared the kid, I think. Kid's crying. Oops. He'll grow into him.
Oh yeah. He'll learn to love him.
That looks so on. That's perfect position too. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado. They left? No. There's an Escape. Bring it in.